Hello, Doston. We live in a world swimming in data. Every click you make online, every chai you buy, every time you chat with a friend, it all creates tons of data. This data explosion has made fields like data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning super popular. These fancy-sounding things are changing everything, from how we work and live to how we talk to each other. Data science helps us find useful nuggets from this ocean of data. AI makes machines smart like us, so they can learn, think, and make decisions. Machine learning, which is a part of AI, helps computers learn from data and get better at their jobs over time. So what connects all these things? The answer is simple: statistics. People don't always talk about statistics, but it's the base of data science, AI, and ML. It gives us the tools and rules to study data, build models, and make smart choices. Statistics isn't just a small part, it's the foundation on which these fields are built. Statistics is like the language of data. It helps us ask the right questions. How do we find useful information from all this data? What do we do when things are uncertain? How do we know if two things are just related, or if one actually causes the other? Statistics helps us answer these important questions. Statistics is super important in every step of data science, AI, and ML. Let's see how. Data analysis. Statistics helps us understand raw data. Descriptive statistics give us a summary of what the data looks like. Data visualization, which is like drawing pictures of the data, helps us see hidden patterns. Exploratory data analysis lets us dig deeper into the data and see how it's really structured. Machine learning. Statistical methods are the heart of machine learning. Regression analysis tells us how different things are related. Classification algorithms help us put data into different groups, like sorting socks. Clustering techniques group similar things together, like putting all your cricket bats in one place. Statistics also helps us check if our machine learning models are working well and giving us the right answers. Artificial intelligence AI systems use probability and statistical inference, which is like making guesses based on data, to make decisions when things aren't clear. Statistical models help AI systems learn from data and make smart choices. Whether it's a self-driving car figuring out the traffic or a doctor's computer looking at patient reports, statistics is the engine powering these AI things. Section 4. Real-world impact, statistics in action. Statistics isn't just for computers, it's used everywhere. Let's see some real-world examples. In healthcare, statistics helps doctors study patient data, find patterns in diseases, and make new medicines. Special statistical models can even predict when diseases might spread and help hospitals get ready. In the world of money, banks and other financial institutions use statistics a lot. They use it to check for risks, catch fraud, and decide where to invest money. Statistical models help them understand how the market is doing, how risky an investment is, and when to buy or sell. In marketing, statistics helps companies understand what customers want, divide them into groups, and see if their ads are working. By looking at customer data, businesses can make their ads more appealing to the right people. Section 5. Conclusion. Embrace the power of statistics. In today's world, where we have so much data, statistics isn't just something you learn in school, it's the language of the future. It's the key to unlocking the magic of data science, AI, and ML. Whether you're a data scientist or just curious about these cool fields, knowing statistics is a must. Think of statistics as your superpower. It's the base on which we build a smarter, data-powered future. So, go explore. There are so many resources out there. Dive into the world of statistical thinking and see the amazing things you can do with data.